Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to insert rows and columns in Excel file. Open MS Excel file already created or new Excel file. I am opening already created Excel file which is saved on my desktop. In this Excel file some data is there. I would like to add one column or I want to insert one row. To insert a column in between named column, this is the name column, this is the mobile column. I want to insert a column in between name column and mobile number column. Select the cell, select the column, mobile column, click on one cell and in the insert home tab, on home ribbon you will find the cells category buttons. In this, click on insert button. The drop down list will be displayed. In this, insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. If you want to insert a cell, click on insert cells. If you like to insert a sheet row, sheet row is nothing but a row, entire row. Click on sheet row. If you want to add sheet column, one column, then select the third option. The fourth one is insert sheet. If you like to add one more sheet to your Excel file, then select the fourth option, insert sheet. Now I would like to insert one column in between name column and mobile number. I want to add a column, insert a new column in between this name column and mobile number. For understanding purpose, I am applying the background color as some yellow. Okay, these are the two columns. Now I am clicking on the mobile number cell. This is the active cell. In home tab, in cell category, the buttons are there: insert, delete, format. The insert drop down button. Click on insert sheet column, third option. Then this is automatically inserted one column in between the name column and mobile number column. Now I will enter father name as one column heading and I will type the remaining students, the student's father name in this column. This is the procedure to insert a column. I would like to insert one more row in between Raju and Bashwant. Then select the cell where you want to insert a row. Then in the home tab, click on insert drop down button. Then it shows list of options. Select insert sheet rows and automatically the new row is inserted. Observe this empty row is there. This is the empty row newly inserted. This is the newly inserted column in. After inserting the row, enter the data. This is the one method to inserting the columns and rows in Excel file. The one more method is there, that is to insert a column. Select the cell, right click on that cell, it opens one pop-up menu. In that, select the insert option. It displays insert dialog box. In this insert dialog box, four options are there: shift cells right, shift cells down, entire row, entire column. Now I would like to insert a column, that's why I am selecting entire column. Click on OK. Now the entire column is inserted to the left side of the active cell. In previous case I selected the cell as F5 mobile number. This is the active cell. Left side of the active cell the column was inserted. Now I want to insert a column row, then I will select the cell. Now I selected C8 cell, right click on the cell, it opens one pop-up menu. From that pop-up menu, select the insert option, it displays insert dialog box. In this insert dialog box, four options are there: shift cells right, shift cells down. To shift the cells right side, we use the first option. The second option, shift cells down. To move the cells down, we use the second option. The third option, to insert entire row in a sheet, we use the third option. The fourth one, to insert entire column, we use fourth option. Now I would like to insert a row, that's why I am selecting the third option, entire row. Click on OK. The row is inserted above the active cell, above the selected cell. I selected this cell, Bashwant data is there, that is above the cell the row was inserted. Okay, thank you.